Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are significant for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a sealed and profoundly secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all disposing of the job of delegates, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. The outline of torrential slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsayer in September 2020, essentially putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations fundamentally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the torrential slide network will go about as a critical power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, torrential slide will carry revolutionary change to fun. Torrential slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower expenses. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain designers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other trend-setting innovation. A critical contrast between torrential slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential slide, the innate potential. Without a doubt, the torrential slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will more often than not be the most alluring digital money, primarily for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise, the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the torrential slide digital money, arising as an incredibly powerful and dynamic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of dealers, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the torrential slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The torrential slide local area is humming about its achievements and huge commitment, particularly after torrential slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of torrential slide agreement and light engineering that offers more fair support rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its brokers a protected and reliable stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with different environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a helpful local area around the world, in this manner making an equivalent, maintainable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further advancements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Dealers and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the torrential slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new impetus program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to assemble items for NFT dealers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Torrential slide value expectation 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and most extreme cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 separately, as indicated by our Avax cost forecast 2022 and specialized examination. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our Avax cost expectations uncover that the coin will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50. Separately, torrential slide value expectation 2023. In view of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the Avax coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%. With a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. As per torrential slide cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, There are a couple of suspicions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2025. The Torrential Slide coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $72 and $89 separately, according to our AVAX Cost Forecast 2025. While the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%, Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2026. According to our AVAX Cost Expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and most extreme cost of $80 and $85 separately, for the year 2026. The instability of the Torrential Slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost forecast. Torrential Slide Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In view of the AVAX cost expectation, our specialists propose that the Torrential Slide digital currency might exchange a scope of $91 and $101 for 2027, where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the greatest. While the typical exchanging cost of Torrential Slide might be $96, Torrential Slide Crypto Expectation 2028. Our AVAX cost figure for the year 2028 recommends that the coin's typical cost might be $126, while the base and greatest costs might be around $111 and $141 separately. Simultaneously, the Torrential Slide Specialized Examination uncovers that the rate change might be 27.02%. Torrential Slide Coin Value Forecast 2029. From our AVAX cost expectation, we can infer that the coin's cost might exchange at a normal of $152.50 for the year 2029, while the least and most exorbitant cost of the AVAX token for the year might be $145 and $160 individually. AVAX Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, our Torrential Slide cost estimate demonstrates that the likely high of the coin might be $185, with a possible low of $162 in the crypto market. The nitty-gritty Torrential Slide cost examination uncovers the typical worth to be somewhere near $173. In light of a VAX cost estimate, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing venture might be debased from now on. As indicated by their AVAX coin cost forecast, the cost could stretch around $44.14 by 2023 and $81.11 toward the finish of 2025. The Torrential Slide cost expectation brings combining patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher opinion. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of Torrential Slide will be around $22.76. The greatest and least costs for 2023 might be around $55.84 and $49.55 individually. Their Torrential Slide cost forecast demonstrates that toward the finish of December 2025, the cost might be $128.39. What is the fate of Torrential